Hey y'all, here is the Orca Tactical Range Bag. This thing is built very well, and I've had it for many years, and it's been a great bag for me. So I'm just going to walk through kind of the layout so you can get a picture of that, and yeah, just give you an understanding of the organization it's got. So it's got 4 exterior Velcro pouches. They're all foam padded. They have the kind of this quilted stitching throughout the bag, which I think gives it a nice touch and a little extra reinforcement. So on the 2 ends, it's got these similar pouches. I usually keep the strap and the shoulder strap in one of them because I don't usually wear it with the shoulder strap, but it's got a nice padded shoulder pad there that's reinforced, so it's not just the mesh taking all the wear and tear. The hardware is all metal, nothing plastic. The buckles, the clips are nice metal, nice swivels. The springs work well. The hardware it attaches to is metal as well. So no durability concerns there for me. The sides have these 2 larger pockets that are fully loop filled on the outside for patches or anything else you want to add to it. And they have dimension to them, so you can kind of add thicker things in there like tool pouches, things like that. Same for the 2 end pockets as well. About 1 inch deep, all of them. Okay. The behind those 2 larger Velcro pockets, you have a large open space over here, along with 4 large elastic loops for magazines or for getting creative with whatever else you want to store there. Notice that the straps go down all the way underneath the main compartment of the bag, which is the right way to do it. It reinforces it and makes those straps bear the weight rather than just the stitching of the bag. The other side has a pocket that opens, you can see, 3/4 of the way down, maybe a little bit more. This is the branded side with the big quilted stitching field there. It's got a sectioned off area here with Velcro for 1 piece. It's got 2 more padded pockets, so this is where I would keep my eye protection or any optics. If you wanted to have anything separate in there, this would be the place to do that. These are the most protected pockets in the whole thing. It's got 3 smaller loops, one a little bit bigger than the other 2 for tools. And this also has another sectioned off area for storing something else, maybe a cleaning kit or another piece. Also, the main pocket held down by Velcro, got the double pull, which allows you to open it very quickly. This also has another section that you can set something aside. Has 6 elastic loops there. Could be for shells or something else if you want. Large open area in here. 2 pockets on either end that are also foam padded. There's foam padding everywhere in this bag. And that's it for the storage. So all the zippers work really well. All the stitching is held up pretty well. The bottom, you can see it's been chewed up from being dragged in and out of different settings, wooden tables, things like that. It's got nice, solid composite feet with kind of these pyramids on there to kind of keep it up off of the surface. So this is just for me being negligent, but it's doing really well. Overall, it's been a great bag. It has a lot of organization, and it's been one of my favorite range bags. So there you go, the Orca Tactical Range Bag.